down?
Yeah, put him like right here.
Okay. Go, Benny.
Benny, hungry? He's so cute. I'm telling you, he flipped all the way over last night.
Oh, it's so cute.
When he starts to get off balance, then he puts his foot in it so that he... That must be why his front paws are so much thicker. I bet you were hungry.
That's so cute.
I think he goes for the chicken pieces, that's what it is. He ends up having to get the kibble too, but
What food is this?
it's freeze-dried chicken and then little kibble things. And then you have to fool them into drinking by soaking it all in water.
Why?
Because they don't like to put their noses in water, I guess.
Flip over, Benny.
He's hungry.
You're not a cute dog.
I gotta keep him in.
He's so cute.
I was gonna get a toy, no, they call them a teacup Yorkie.
Oh.
And they fit in the teacup.
Right.
And that's what I kept searching for, and then I discovered this breed of Morkies and Snorkies, which are schnauzer.
Don't put your paw in there.
Well, that's what he does so he doesn't flip over.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then he puts little pop tracks all over the kitchen floor.
He is a hungry dog.
Yeah, you know, I didn't feed him enough today. I can't wait to introduce him to Armani. Armani will eat him.